This is Mama Misha today in my magic kitchen, the best bean salad. Summer is back, and you know what that means? Pool parties are back. You might be asking yourself, what are the best sides to bring to a pool party? In my never humble opinion, a tasty salad that goes with any main is the perfect thing to bring. If it's already hot out there, you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and you don't want to turn the oven or even stovetop on. How about canned beans, a couple of cut raw veggies, and an easy homemade dressing? Quick and easy, like you were back in the day. No judgment. Oh, I jest, bestie. Laugh. Enjoy life. And let MK make your kitchen magic. Okay. After sitting in the fridge overnight, you know this is going to be bomb. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. This is so freaking good. Let's eat.